Okay, so now let us set your 7 days and 30 days launch goals. Clear goals, fast action, and real progress. Let me hit you with a hard truth. Most people never finish what they start, especially online courses. Why? Because they never set a real deadline and they never define what success looks like. They say, I'll finish this next week. And then the client calls, life happens, and the dream just fades. Without clarity and commitment, even the best intentions disappear. And that's not what we are doing here. This is a business you are building, not just content you are consuming. And every business starts with a bold but simple question. What is the goal? Now, imagine this. In just 7 days from now, your white label AI SaaS platform is set up. Your offer is defined. Your landing page is live. And you are ready to talk to real clients. And in 30 days, you have closed your first 1 to 3 paying clients. You are collecting recurring revenue. You are no longer thinking about launching a business because you have already done it. That's not a dream I'm talking about. That's exactly what this course is built to help you do. You just need a clear goal, a short timeline, and one decision. I am doing this now. Are you? Yes, you are. Let's keep this super simple. You are going to set 2 types of goals. Your 7-day quick launch goal is the first one that you are setting up. This is all about momentum. Your job in the next 7 days is to pick your niche, restaurants, real estate, local business, etc. Now, the language that you are comfortable with speaking. Set up your Go High Level agency account. White label your platform, branding, domain, email. Install your free trial and demo funnels. Define your pricing tiers and offer stack. And join the community and introduce yourself. This is your foundation. Don't try to get clients yet. Just get ready to serve. And if you hit this, you are 50% ahead of 99% of people who start business and never launch. So, the next would be your 30 days revenue goal. Now let's stretch a little bit. Your 30-day target is to start getting paid. Your mission over the next 30 days is to outreach to 10 to 15 people in your niche, run at least 3 to 5 demo calls using the free trial funnel, close your first 1 to 3 clients on a monthly plan, automate fulfillment using pre-built snapshots, set up a follow-up system, email plus SMS, reinvest in refining your onboarding and automation flows, and start building an affiliate referral strategy, which is optional. You are not aiming for perfection. You are aiming for progress. This is not school. Done is better than polished. Even one paying client in 30 days proves your system works and gives you proof, confidence, and crash. So my biggest giveaway here would be that do not try to be perfect. Do not wait for your system to work in the most perfect way. Don't. So I have some tools to help you. You will find these downloadable resources in the lectures. 7-day launch tracker, 30 days business planner, offer builder worksheet, and a client outreach tracker. So here's the truth. You don't need more time. You need more action. This entire business can be launched in 30 days or less. If you commit, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up daily. Follow the framework and complete what you start. So here is what I want you to do right now. Download the launch planner and tracker. Set your personal 7 days and 30 days target. Post your goals inside the community for accountability, and then jump straight into the next module. Because the best time to start building this business was yesterday. And the second best time is right now. So let's go build your AI SaaS agency. Made easy.